Now the seventh part is find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. That means it is given as R for this situation. R is 75 centimeter and they are saying tip describes an arc length. Arc length हमें हर situation की अलग अलग दी हुई है. First situation में L is given as 10 centimeter. I have to find the angle. Angle कैसे निकलेगा? It would be L by R. So it would be 10 by 75. और 10 by 75 को simplify कैसे करोगे? That would be 2 by 15 in this case. That would be in radians. Second situation हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगी? L is given as 15 centimeter. Theta would be L by R. That's 15 by 75 और 15 के टेबल में 75 कब आता है? At 5. So you can write 1 by 5 radians for it. Third situation is the that's L as 21 centimeter. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे theta find out करना है. That would be L by R. 21 by 75 can be there. So this would be 7 and this would be 25 radian.